We also saw in previous modules that we can find the present value or an earlier value of a cash flow by moving it along the timeline to the left. But if we have a number of cash flows, once again, based on Rule 1, we cannot add them all together. If we want to calculate the value of all of these cash flows at an earlier point in time, we need to find the present value of each cash flow. The last cash flow needs to move 4 periods to the left, and so on. So let's do an example of this problem. What is the present value of the following series of cash flows? The same cash flows that we looked at earlier, if the interest rate is 6% per annum compounding annually. The first cash flow appears at time period 1. We want to know its value 1 period earlier, at time period 0. So we need to discount it by 1 period. See if you can calculate the present value of the first cash flow. The answer is $377.36. The second cash flow needs to be discounted for 2 periods, the third cash flow for 3 periods, and the fourth cash flow for 4 periods. See if you can work out the present value of the second cash flow. These are all of the calculations. The last cash flow, $180, is discounted for 4 periods, and the total present value is $1,011.11.